time. So thank you so much for all the love, all the support you guys keep pouring in each and everything that I do, be it my projects, be it my social media, be it my YouTube, be it anything. So before I say anything, I would just want to say I love you guys. Thank you so much. A big flying kiss to all of you right over there. So yes, since we have completed 100k subscribers, so I thought why not make a fan special segment, and today I decided to do the very much in demand Q&A segment. So I put up a post on Instagram asking you guys to put in your questions in the comment section of that post, which I will be answering in this video of mine, because this video on completing 100k subscribers is dedicated to all new Ashdodians, all new well-wishers. So let's get started with the question. So I have them over here in my phone. So the first question is by Soulful095, and the question is, if you have to describe the love of your mom and dad towards you, how would you describe it? Okay, so well, I guess the love any mother and father have for their child is unconditional love, which is actually the purest form of love found on this planet, I would say. So that's unconditional. It is just so pure that it cannot be actually described in words. And all I can say is, I'm their number one, they are my number one, and that's how it is. So the next question is Gia_13 has asked, have you ever regretted to be an actress? Please answer. It's a really unique question. Well, I would say everything has its own pros and cons. Being an actress has given me a lot. It has given me you guys. But of course, there are some drawbacks of everything as well. But I would just want to say that as far as I can remember, when I started acting at the young age of 4.5, 5, till now, I have actually come to know about my passion. And when you are working towards your passion is your job. There's nothing to regret about it. And every day I get to learn new things. So I've never regretted being an actress, because that's what I've always wanted to be. So, Tisha Sharma Official has asked, which type of role you opt in future that you hardly want to or wish to? And also say my name is Tisha. Okay, hi Tisha Sharma. I have actually been a very Disney girl. I've always been fond of Disney movies. So I would love to play a Disney princess, maybe a Disney warrior princess. That'll be even better, because I love action sequences. I did play a warrior princess when I was 6 years old in Shobha Samrathi's Shobha, where I rode a horse, I did sword fighting. But I would love to do it once again now that I'm a little bit older, and I would love to do it in the Disney magical way. Muzu_07 has asked, with whom you want to share a big screen? Okay, that's a tough question, because there are many people. There are so many great actors. Number one has to be the big B himself, Amitabh Bachchan sir. I have shared screen space with Abhishek Bhaiya, but I really want to share screen with Amitabh Bachchan sir. And the list goes on, yeah. I mean, there are such great actors. There's Dipka, there's Katrina, there is Vicky Bhaiya, I've always shared screen with. There's Nishan Khattar, Ayushmann Khurrana. There's so many people, yeah, many people. So the list continues. Priyanka Chopra, of course, everyone, many people, yeah. I can't name them all. Deepu Pranay asks, अब unique इंसान के लिए question भी unique होगा. So my question is, what would you choose as your career if it's between modeling or blogging? Love you, take care, stay happy, Sasrikal. Well, I would actually choose my career as acting, because that's what I am, an actress. But if given an option between modeling and blogging, I would actually do modeling and blogging. So I would do modeling, then I would blog about modeling. So I lose this two in one thing. Yes. But yeah, I have to face the camera in both of the things. So anyways, my thirst is quenched, it's satisfied. Now, Epic Studio 28 has asked that Ashnur ma'am, where did you get this idea of getting into this industry, and tell us if there were some hardships in your journey. So, hi Epic Studio 28. This was actually all of a sudden, this was never planned, and as you know, they say destiny pulls you towards itself. So, I guess that's what happened in my case. We never planned to get into this industry. I'm originally from Delhi, and we came to Mumbai because of dad's transfer. And your mom was a teacher earlier, there was a common friend between mom and the casting director. And the casting director needed a last moment casting, and she just referred me to her, and that's how it happened. And the journey started. Hardships, I would say, of course, the major hardship was actually balancing my acting career and my studies, because I wanted to give my 100% in both. So that was one of the biggest hardships I've faced. Now we have Array._.babe. How are you handling 12th grade accounts? Partnership, admission, retirement, debt, dissolution, NPO, tough is but I guess practice makes the man perfect. So the more you practice, the more you'll be fluent and you'll increase your speed. And plus I've got a really good teacher as well, so that's how. So Asavi2904 has asked, you were born in 2004, then how are you 12th standard? Yes, you know, काफी पूछते हैं. Actually what happened is that I traveled from Delhi to Mumbai, and because of traveling and transferring and stuff, तो वो एक साल मेरा आगे हो गया. So that's how it happened. क्योंकि उधर LKG UKG का system है, here we have more 1 2 3, that's how. Now Hania the Honeybee has asked experience of first shoot. So actually I don't remember because I was like hardly 4.5, 5 when I had my first shoot. But mom tells me that I was really active, I was really comfortable facing the camera, and it was a fun shoot. But I do have some glimpses. It was all of fun, and everybody pampered me because I was the youngest. So that's how it was. I've always been quite camera friendly actually. Now many people have also congratulated me, so thank you so much. Describe your journey means आपके बचपन से टीवी सीरियल्स का सफर कैसा था, प्रॉब्लम्स भी आई या नहीं, प्लीज टेल मी. Saisha Shnur, I guess I've already answered this question more or less the same. Mysterious H has asked, are you missing your previous memorable moments? Coronavirus case in India increasing day by day when all things will be normal. यार इसका तो आंसर मुझे भी नहीं पता. Even I'm waiting when things get back to normal. But yes, I hope things get back to normal again. I am missing the previous moments and the freedom that we all had. But all we can do is take our precautions and wait for the cure to be found. Ananya.0255 has asked, tell me why Patiala needs got offered these places. Well, it was because of the pandemic, because the lockdown was very uncertain. We didn't know it कब तक चलेगा, कब तक नहीं. And I guess it was this decision was taken in the best interest of everyone, and this is the reason that Patiala needs got offered. We have Kushi Jain 1012008. What's your most embarrassing and most enjoyable moment in life? The most embarrassing moment is what I recall and enjoy the most. So that moment was back in Jhansi Ki Rani. I was 5 years old and it was a historical show. तो एक ना हमारा shot था कि one shot लेना था वो कि बीच में cut नहीं कर सकते, fumble वगैरह कुछ गलती तो वापस starting से लेना पड़ेगा. So we had that shot and I had quite some lines in that and stuff, and वो finally मैंने अच्छे से बोल दिया सारा एक problem, mood variations and all that stuff. And then after the shot हमारी exit थी, बस exit के बाद shot okay हो जाता. तो exit में क्या हुआ, मेरी ना belt जो कमर पर होती है ना, मेरी belt खुल गई. तो जाते जाते मेरी belt गिर गई and I was like, अरे नहीं एक second मेरी belt खुल गई. And सब हंसने लगे. And वो shot obviously NG हो गया and everybody laughed and everybody was like, अरे यार वापस लेना पड़ेगा shot. So that's, I mean, when I recall it, I'm quite embarrassed, but then I also laugh at the childish innocence जो होता है, ये वो होता है. Nivedita.12, your most weirdest dream ever. Yeah, I get many weird dreams. I had this dream that there's some dragon, that dragon has eaten me up and I don't know, I can't feel anything, लेकिन जैसे I go inside that dragon, then there's this entire new world. I mean, that was very weird. उसमें अलग-अलग चीजें pop up हो रही थी and I had various people as well. So yeah, I mean that was quite weird. Now Jimmy Duke, the dog, who has asked, what is your next project? So this year, guys, I'm not taking up any TV show because it is first of all quite risky to shoot in the COVID times or long-term projects. and also because it's my 12th this year, so I'm not going to take up any long-term project. But yes, I will be doing some music albums maybe, or some short-term projects. I'll keep you guys updated. Some things are there in the pipeline, so I'll let you know. Now, sparkling of which underscore has asked, weight loss tips batao apni age ki girls ke liye please. Okay, so there are quite some things that I actually have to explain you. So I guess I can make a video on this. So yes, I'll make a video on this super soon and I'll let you guys know. I am Shreya. She has asked, do you miss being a common girl? What do you miss? Hi Shreyashi. Well, there's nothing. I don't think so. There's anything as a celebrity and a common girl, because I consider myself as a normal girl, as a common girl too. Because it's just that we're all doing our own work. My work demands and comes with fame and popularity, and I'm doing my work with all my passion, and it's just your appreciation that makes me popular or makes me celebrity. And I'm sure you guys are also doing all your work with all your passion, but it's just that I consider myself as a common girl. There's something like that. So there's someone called Anish Ajmera, and he's asked, what's your favorite photographer? Good question. My favorite photographer, I guess, I really like a photographer who मेरे काफी मतलब हम काम कर चुके हैं साथ में, and he's a very nice person, more like a family. He's somebody क्या नाम था जो अभी ये वीडियो शूट कर रहा है, Smart Face Photography. Of course, you are Nilesh. I mean, more like a family of a photographer. Tanisha Shukla 30 has asked, if you have 60 seconds and whole world is giving attention to you, what would you say? By the way, love you. Thank you so much. That's a really nice and intelligent question. I would want to ask them all this negativity, fighting for power, fame, money, love. What for? Something that's so temporary, and something that'll definitely come to end one day or the other, today or tomorrow. Instead of fighting for that, why not live in the present? Live with love, harmony, peace, and just stay happy with what we have currently. Because nobody knows the future. It may be that what you really want, you get it today, and you've actually destroyed, or you hurt many people for that one thing that you get today, and tomorrow the world ends, or tomorrow your life ends. What then? What for? What was it worth it? So I would just want to say, let's just live in the present, live with love, harmony, peace, stay happy with what we have, and please take care of our mental health. That's what. Guys, बहुत लंबी वीडियो बनी थी. I know many of your questions would be pending because I got like 5,000, 6,000 comments just on Instagram. But there are many other questions that I wanted to answer, but I guess the duration of this video won't allow me to answer. So maybe next time, whenever I plan another fan segment, Q&A segment, or when I go live on YouTube, we can do that. So thank you so much for all the love, all the support. I love you guys. And a fan of the week, I guess, मैंने काफियों के नाम ले लिए हैं. So you guys can consider yourself fans of the week. 100k subscribers की खुशी में. So yes, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if I have missed your question in case and you think it's unique and want to be answered, you can drop your questions in the comment section and I'll shortly reply them. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's keep growing like this. Lots